This has got to be the biggest gold unboxing I have ever done. Hello future investors, and welcome back to another weekly episode. I want to start by saying a big thank you to Bullion House for sponsoring today's video. Now, they have invited me down to their office in London, where they have been showing me a massive range of their products they have in stock. And here I have got a No Time to Die special issued 2021 United Kingdom 10 ounce gold proof coin. And I've got to be honest with you, this is amazing. They've already shown me it, but I wanted to do a video for you guys. So let's start the unboxing. So this coin is, as I say, it's a 007 James Bond coin by the Royal Mint, and it is actually an extremely limited edition piece. It is one of 50, and yeah, you're about to find out how amazing this really is. So let's do the unboxing. Special issue, beautiful piece. And then you've got just a brochure here of some history on James Bond. This piece is actually extremely valuable. The current estimated sale price of this particular item is around £28,500. But if you were to look for the same ounce of gold, as in 10 ounce, you'd be paying £15,500 roughly for 10 ounce of gold in terms of coin form. So let's move the box here. Beautiful. Are you ready for this? It's amazing. Here we go. The Royal Mint. They know how to do their packaging, don't they? Let's remove the protector. And you've got here the Royal Mint 007 Special Issue. This is number 43 of 50. And it's a 10 ounce gold proof coin. You've got the information on the back here. So let's try and get this piece up. Let's pop it out. Wow. Can you see that? That is utterly stunning, isn't it? So this is 10 ounce of gold, £500, 2021 Queen Elizabeth. And this is a proof coin. So when I say proof, that essentially means they stamp it multiple times and it ensures a much higher quality than, for example, a normal standard bullion coin. On the front, you've got the Aston Martin, beautiful piece, and the polished finish at the bottom there where it says 007, and you can see the 12s in the background. And essentially what that is the bullet or the barrel of the gun. When they start the 007 films, he always turns around and sort of shoots towards the camera, and it goes through that hole into James Bond, and that's what they've done here. And first of all, I've got to say the weight is very noticeable. Obviously being 10 ounces, it's very weighty, and the current estimated value of this coin, if they were to sell it, would probably be around the sort of £28,500 mark, but it can fluctuate as it's a proof coin and it's extremely limited. Obviously, it's only one of 50, and that may sound a lot to some people, but it's not in terms of proof limited edition coins, because normal bullion is in the thousands when they say it's limited. So one of 50 is extremely rare. So the estimated value is around £28,500, but it could be lower than that, or it could be a lot higher than that. It really depends on the client or the customer that's willing to buy this. Maybe there's someone out there that's seen that these are limited edition pieces and they can't get hold of one, and maybe they find out that Bullion House has got one, and there you go, they can add some premiums on, because at the end of the day they've got item number 43 of 50. Now this 10 ounce proof coin has actually provisionally already been sold, so it's going to a customer that has obviously bought it already, and they will be sending this away to be graded. And when I say they, I mean Bullion House. They do grading. So what they do is they offer a service where you can actually send them your coin, one that you maybe already own, or you can buy one that they own, and you can say, look, I want this coin, I'm going to buy it from you, or I'm going to send you one that I have, and can you go and get it graded? And they will say, yeah, no problem. And what they do is they take that coin. Obviously they charge a fee for that, but yeah, they then send it away and get it graded for you. So it's a really safe way of getting coins graded, or bullion graded. And some benefits to having your items graded is that it can really increase the value. If it comes back and it's graded extremely high, then that can potentially increase the value dramatically. So more often than not, it's worth getting it graded, because the cost is outweighed by the benefit of getting a good graded coin. So overall, this is a really stunning piece. 10 ounces, and yeah, as I say, it's a limited piece for an exclusive customer that has already bought this. One very lucky customer that I'm sure will be very, very happy with this. Now, for some stackers or investors, this sort of proof piece may not interest you because some people are not particularly interested in getting proof items. Maybe you just want standard bullion. But this would give you a good indication if you're able to afford, let's say, for example, this 10-ounce gold coin. It gives you a good example of what a 10-ounce gold coin looks like. And here it is in thickness. You can see it's nice and chunky, and it's got the engraved edge around the side. And sometimes the Royal Mint do bring out coins that actually have a polished finished around the edge, but this has got the engraved feature here. It's got the Queen of England on the reverse. Now, some people prefer coins just like the Britannia or sovereigns, but there is benefits to actually purchasing limited edition pieces or commemorative designed pieces, because essentially what you're always buying is the weight of the item itself, and then if the item becomes desirable, then you're going to have some premiums that come with that, potentially increasing the resale value. However, that can work in the opposite direction, and sometimes maybe something might happen to the series or the coin becomes less desirable, and that could potentially lower the value. So the thing you've got with proof coins is you pay a big premium for the extra standard of finish that you get. But when you're buying a proof limited edition piece, there is an element of risk there, because what you're getting is an item that may or may not be desired in the future. It's really hard to tell. Now, how big really is this 10-ounce coin? Well, let me compare it to a 1-ounce gold bar, also James Bond. And here you go. There's a good size comparison between the two. This is a 1-ounce gold bar, and this is a 10-ounce gold proof coin. So you can see the difference. Both are extremely impressive in their own ways, but of course the 10-ounce is very, very large. We can compare the 10-ounce to a different branded 1-ounce that's in a capsule, not a blister card, and there would give you a good idea of the size. Again, a Bard & Co 1-ounce bar. There you go. A good size comparison there. Or if we wanted to get even more crazy, we could compare it to another James Bond bar, which is a 10-ounce 007 silver bar. What a beautiful piece. Really, really amazing. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and I hope you're enjoying this crazy content that I'm bringing out for you guys. So thank you very much. If you want to buy anything from Bullion House, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, guys. Now, to give you an idea what this coin looks like in natural daylight, I'm going to take it to this window here and show you. Look at that. That is stunning, isn't it? Look at that. In the daylight, it really does show well, doesn't it? Wow. Stunning. Very, very nice. To watch another episode on future investments, click the link now.